Do you want to look up and translate vocabulary while reading news on your mobile browser? This video will guide you on how to look up individual words and translate specialized terms when reading news on your mobile browser without opening dictionary apps. First, make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the eJOY English app and log into your account. If you haven't, simply search for eJOY English 2 on the App Store or Google Play Store, then select the eJOY icon with the label New. Download the app and register an account. To look up individual words while reading news on your mobile browser, first, highlight the word you want to look up, press the arrow, and select Share. Next step, find and select the eJOY English app 2. If the logo doesn't appear, choose More, and look for the eJOY app in the list. After selecting the eJOY, a window with the word lookup will appear. You can choose to see the definitions or the translation of the word. To look up phrases or translate passages, follow the same step as for individual words. Don't forget you can save words to your workbook for review in the app by pressing the Add button. So, what happens if you still don't understand the translated content? AI Explain can give you a detailed and clear explanation for specialized terms. It gives results in English and Vietnamese. You can also use AI to explain longer passages in a much simpler way like this. Now you know how to look up and save vocabulary while reading news on your mobile browser. What are you waiting for? Try out this awesome feature now!